Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Be the Better You with Sri Devi Ravichandran. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert keywords in your resume. First, let us understand what are keywords. Keywords are phrases, mostly short, which defines the content in your web page. Keywords in your resume describe the skills, knowledge, abilities, qualifications, basically requirements for a particular job that is needed in a candidate. Why do you need to use keywords in your resume? When a human resource personnel source resumes from professional networking sites or from job sites, he or she will use keywords to select the potential candidates for the interview. When the resumes pile up for a single job, it would be very difficult for HR personnel to screen all the resumes. So there comes ATS. What is ATS? It is application tracking systems. ATS is used by most of the companies as the volume of applications for one job has increased enormously. Now screening each and every resume and selecting potential candidates for the interview is humanly impossible. So many companies use ATS software for screening process. So let us see more about this. Let us see how this works. The HR personnel feeds the software with keywords, the job requirements, qualifications, responsibilities, years of experience, educational requirements, skills, and so on. ATS scans the applied resumes for programmed keywords. That will determine whether your resume will be selected for the interview or not. So the probability of your resume getting selected predominantly depends upon the right keywords you use in your resume. Few ways to source keywords. Google it. You can search Google for possible keywords in your field. You will find lot of generic keywords in your field. These keywords can be placed while building your resume, but this will not increase your chance much because the keywords changes job posting wise, company wise, and so on. Say for example, your last held job was, the title was customer support executive and you're applying for the position customer support associate. Then your keyword here must be customer support associate in your resume. Do you notice the difference? So the important thing to understand here is to customize your resume for each and every job posting you're applying, instead of applying generic resume for all the jobs. Let us see an example of this. I have created a job advertisement as an example, and let's customize our mock resume based on the job posting. First thing you have to look is the job title, then job summary, candidate's profile. We will take few keywords that are relevant. Here I have taken formulate reports, billing to learn, secondary marketing data from job summary, and I have taken MS Excel, PowerPoint, and MS Access, generate reports, interpersonal, good time management from candidate's profile. I have taken these words because they are relevant to my qualification and skills, not because I need to fill my resume with keywords. So here if you see, I have highlighted and added or modified keywords in the resume. This is one way of optimizing your resume, which will increase your chance of getting selected more than 70%. If you want me to make a separate video on ways to source keywords or optimize your resume, let me know in the comment section, as there are a lot of ways that you can do it by yourself and increase your chance drastically in getting selected for the interview. Now let us see things to remember while using keywords. The first is don't landfill your resume with possible keywords you can find. Please include keywords that you can back with your skills. Don't lie just to beat the software. Your resume will reach human hands and you might get caught during interview or background check. It will damage your credibility. Don't use keywords as a list. Try to scatter them throughout the resume. Strategically place them as required. Use proper spelling. This is the most important rule, because if your resume has any misspelled word, you are rejected immediately. So that's it. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more related videos. Thanks again.